Today we are going to see the NLIST. NLIST stands for National Library and Information Services Infrastructure for Scholarly Content. And basically, from the general point of view, we can explain NLIST as a resource from which you can get a number of ebooks and e-journals. Now, a question may arise that how many number of books and e-journals. So now look here. A college component of eShodh Sindhu Consortium with access to 6,000 plus journals and 1,99,500 ebooks and under NLIST and 6 lakhs ebooks under NDL are available for anyone who is a member here, and the subscription to it has been done by our library for our students. So students, if you want to use this large database, if you want to access ebooks from eShodh Sindhu, you just have to get the login ID and password from the library. That will also be provided directly to you in your institutional ID. You just have to activate that ID, change your password, make your own password, and use those resources which are available under eShodh Sindhu for your study purposes, for your reference purposes, for writing essays, for writing papers, research papers, or for extra study, for doing extra study. If you want to search something extra on a topic which is included in your regular study, you can simply search here and get more details, more updated details, more upgraded details, since journals are there, and you must be knowing that in journals the latest information in any subject field is being published. Whatever research papers are there, they are meant to give you the knowledge about the latest happenings in the field. So students, for that purpose, to get more information about your subject, to get more information what is happening recently in your subject, you should join this consortia, which is free of charge. You can use it from anywhere, from your mobile, from your desktop at your home. Just you have to activate your membership by putting your username and password received at your institutional email. So students, let us now see how you are going to get the email from the institute and how you are going to activate it. Now this is the site of NLIST, where you can access all these e-resources, 6,000 journals and near about 8 lakh ebooks. This is the login part where we have to log in, but before that we will check whether in our institutional ID whether you have received an email from NLIST regarding your members login details. So if you can see here, I have received this mail from NLIST, and the subject of this mail will be NLIST member login details for your name. So I'll just click on it. Now look here, the details are there, a mail is there, enlist login details for member login are there. If we go further, a one-time password is been given there, and we have to activate this using this link. The link is given here where you have to activate your username and password. If you need some more help, if you are not being able to do that, you can contact. The contact details are being given here. So students, as we have got the member login detail here, we will activate this member login by just simply clicking on this link. Now we are on the website where they are asking us to put the details. Now we will go here and we will put the details. I'm just copy pasting it. This is my, and they ask me to put the current password or OTP I received. I will copy this too. Then I will put my own password here. Then they asked me to confirm password. After this, you have to write the whatever equation is given here. Now I have been given 10 plus 1, so 10 plus 1 is 11. I will write 11 here, and then I will say that activate user. Then I get the message that the user has been activated and I have an access up to 31/3/2022 to your college membership validity. So you will be valid member of this e-resources and you will get access to these resources till 31st March 2022. Just click on OK, and now you are ready with your username and your password. Now to access the resources, here members login is given on the home page. Now how to get here? To getting here, you just have to type enlist. You have got this message in your email also, you have got this link in your email also, but apart from that you can type this here. You have to type enlist.inflibnet.ac.in and just press enter. When you will press enter, it will open this site for you where you can do your membership login. Now to log into my account, I have to just click here and this screen is open in front of me. Here you have to put your email as your username and the password you just reset here, and click on login. Here the login button is there, you have to click here. Don't save the password. This is a simple form that has been provided by Enlist. They are giving you the access to all the publications which are available on the website of the publisher and which can't be shared and which are not available free of charge. You have to pay for it, but as the college is paying for you, you don't have to pay anything. You have to click on accept or you will not get access to anything. So just click accept here, and now you will get access to all the resources. In e-journals, look at the left side here. These are the e-journals, the journals that are being published in electronic form on the web. They are being available here. So 6,000 titles, various journals are available here. You can check. It includes American Institute of Physics, then annual reviews, Economic and Political Weekly, Indian Journals, Institute of Physics, JSTOR, Oxford University Press, Royal Society of Chemistry, H.W. Wilson, Cambridge University Press. In ebooks, on the right hand side here we can see these are the list of ebooks, e-resources that are available through Enlist. In it you can see Cambridge Online Books with 1800 titles, eBrary with 1,85,000 titles. Then the list is going on, like Springer eBooks, Oxford Scholarships, Sage Book, Taylor Francis, many more publications, many more titles, and many more ebooks are available here from these renowned publishers. Apart from this, World eBook Library, which is now available through NDL only, is also available through this Enlist consortia. You can access to that also. Now, if I want to access an article from some journal, let us see the Royal Society of Chemistry. If I'll click on it, I'll reach the website of Royal Society of Chemistry, where I am being given access under the Enlist program. Now you can directly search whatever you need on this site. I'll search organic reactions and I'll put search. Now just check here. If we'll go down, recent advances in organic reaction, I have got one paper here. Then the second one was metal organic frameworks, versatile heterogeneous catalyst for efficient catalytic organic transformations. I got the second paper here. So you'll get a number of articles that are related to the search you have entered there. Here I have got 3,18,672 articles at all in organic reaction, of which 11,427 are chapters in a book and 3,07,245 articles are there on the subject. In this way you can search it, collection type also, on the collections also where they are available. Then you can search it author wise also. These are the authors who have written on the organic reactions. Then you can search in the date range 0 to 6 months before, then 6 to 1 month, one year before, then in the period of 1 to 2 years, and so on. So there are the number of articles also available in that period on your topic. In this way you can access articles and chapters. I'll click on this first article. Now when I click on this first article, a button is there from where I can download this article in PDF format. If you log into this site, Royal Society of Chemistry, directly by your regular ID, or if you directly go there, you will not get access through this to this article, but you are login as a Lendlist member, so you are getting the access to this article, full text article. Now look at the abstract. This is the abstract here, and this is the full article. If you want a paragraph or something, or you don't want to download it, you can just read it here. You can read it here. If you find it useful, then only you can download it. Look, this is the complete article. These are the references. Now when I'll scroll up, you can find it here. This is the article which has been published in a journal, New Journal of Chemistry. Okay, then the details about it, when it was submitted, when it was accepted, when it was published. It was published on 29th August 2017 in New Journal of Chemistry, and the page number is 11,471 to 11,497. These are the details which are required by you when you are writing some research paper or anything. If you are writing it, you have to give the reference, and for that reference purpose you can use this information. So in this way we can access the articles from any of the journal, any of the database, any of the resource that is available through Enlist. Now we will check if we can open any of the book here. I'll go to Sage publication and I'll click on it. Now it is getting open because you are logging there as an Enlist member, so they will check your login details and then they will give you the access. Now look, the Sage site is here, Sage Books. You can browse it by discipline. All the subjects are being given here. You can check. If I want a book on psychology, so I'll click on psychology and I'll get the list of books. This is the first book in psychology. You can check your graduate training in psychology, effective strategies. This is the first book. If we will scroll down, then we will get the second book, an introduction to psychological assessment and psychometrics. Now if you want to read this book, an introduction to psychological assessment and psychometrics, just click on the title. Yeah, when you will click on the title, the book will get open. These are the contents, these are the chapters that are available in the book. Part 1, chapter 2. If you scroll down, you will get the complete index of that book, and whichever thing. Now there chapter 7 is there, where it is written what is intelligence. So I'll click on intelligence and I'll see what is written on what is intelligence in the book. Now look here, it has been opened. Measuring intelligence and ability, and then what is this chapter about? Psychology. Then an intelligent history, fully copyright, Vermon's hierarchy, Theory of cognitive, the complete. If we will scroll down, we will get access to the complete chapter. What is intelligence here? Okay, this is a long chapter. So if we will scroll down, we will get the complete chapter here. In this way, you can access the complete book. You can read a complete book here, and you can take out your notes from it. Okay, you can search on a specific content terms. If you want to search on some specific subject like abnormal psychology, now I put it and I'll enter, and I get one video which is on abnormal psychology here. So in this way you can search information and get the ebooks here. Now as the website will get open in the new tab, this original tab will be remain open for you anytime. So you can go through another resources also. These resources are available on this page. There are a number of resources available here, and they are being getting updated every month. So you just have to go to all the websites. You can search. There are 18 titles here. You can search and you can get access, full text access. Since we were long time out from that website, so they have asked us to put the username and password again. So when I put the username and password again, I have been given access to this site. Now look here, access provided by in this program, and I can access the AIP publishing. These are the journals that are available on this website. They are all regarding physics subject. Now you can click here and get access to the latest and the old issues of that journal here. Now look, these are the journals, these are the articles available in Physics Today. I open Physics Today here. These are the articles that are available in the latest issues. Now here is the list of latest magazine issues. You can see November 2021 issue is available here of Physics Today, volume 74, issue 11. In this way you can get access to all the latest issue of the journals and its articles here. Now look, we have clicked November, volume 74, issue 11, November 2021. The first article is eliminating the darkest galaxies. Then how does the wind generate waves? So in this way we can access and list by just using the username and password provided by the institute on our institutional ID. So if you face any issue while searching those resources, you just can contact us on the given email ID in your whatever mail you have received here. you can contact us here on this mail anytime. So hope you will activate your ID, you will check your mail whether you have got the mail. If you have not received the mail, just contact us, we will help you. Contact the library, contact your teacher, they will approach us. You can get your ID from our library and you can access those e-resources to get some more information regarding your subject. Thank you. For a while we will meet with the new e-resources that are available with our library soon. Thank you.